As summer reaches its peak with temperatures soaring above 37 degrees Celsius, many birds face a dire threat to their survival due to dehydration. To mitigate this risk and offer crucial support, place water pots in accessible locations such as terraces, compound walls, and balconies. These simple acts of kindness can provide much-needed hydration to thirsty birds, reducing the likelihood of fatalities during the scorching summer months. By taking proactive steps to ensure birds have access to water, we can play a vital role in safeguarding their well-being and contributing to their survival in this challenging season. A humble request from PortraitNews.